Shannon and I went back shopping today. We went several different places and we got all of these items at Williams and Homeland. We've got TGI Fridays items, Dawn dish soap, bananas, sausage, pizza rolls, butter, pickles, relish, ragu, more pasta. We have Powerade. We have Easy Mac. We have Hungry Jack potatoes, Blue Bunny, root beer float bars, and Star bars. And we got all of the items you see here for around $2.50. That was including the fruit. You can check these deals and more at consumerqueen.com.